Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you how you can easily install antivirus on your mobile phone on Android. So for doing this you just need to go to Play Store and just in Play Store just write antivirus. And here you will see, so I will show for you some free antivirus. So let's open this one, Antivirus Free 2020. So now it really has good reviews and big number of downloads. That's why we will try it. So just click install, and the main thing, it's free. So I also want to show you some free variant. So let's wait until it will download and install it on my mobile phone. So just click open. Just click accept. So just run first scan to check threats. Just click scan. And now you just need to wait some time until it will scan all your files. Here you can see that it also takes not so much time, because now we have also 15% finished, 20, and it shows us what files it already check. So here you can see all check files. So you just can choose some file. It write high risk, and just delete this application if you don't need it. Here you can see uninstall. So it will successfully uninstall it from your mobile phone. Just click OK, and it will delete it. Here you can see that it will successfully delete it. So just click on resolve, close. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.